Assalamu alaikum. Brothers and sisters, it's been 1 year since Muslims in Kashmir have been on lockdown. Indian forces have been raping, torturing, killing people in Kashmir. We need to be very vocal and demand Muslim countries to boycott Indian goods and put a ban on Indian goods. Genocide is happening in Kashmir. Please, brothers and sisters, highlight the suffering of Muslims in Kashmir on social media by making videos. We must stop buying Indian goods and spread the word that we are banning Indian goods and make Indian government realize that we will make the suffer financially. Please act now and help your brothers and sisters in Kashmir. Every Muslim Ummah in the world, Muslim Ummah economic boycott agenda for India. All of us have joined the freedom fighter for the Muslim of Kashmir. Just as India has caused war and devastation on the people of Kashmir, please be economic soldier for the Kashmir and wage an economic war against Modi and his ethnic religious cleansing. This is fifth generation war. India is in an economic crisis. Boycott everything in India, like Indian channels, movies, employment, new hires, Indian restaurants, rice, spices, atta, flour, fruits, clothes, Indian oils, dals, vegetables, Indian travels, airspace restricted for Indian airlines and jets, Indian tires and tubes, computers, biscuits and sweets. Hit India in the pocket. Whenever you buy anything, check, please make sure, is it Indian? If it is, then don't buy. It is solidarity with the Kashmir. The best way to defeat an unlawful military operation, aggression, is through economic boycott. You can make a big difference. Every drop counts. So then start today. Start now. Please send to message at least 5 people. Then another 5 people send to another 5 people. Then we can make a big chain and reach a minimum in 12 days. Around 6 billion people can read the message and forward the message. So let's start. Please start forwarding. Thanks very much. May Allah protect you and your beloved ones. Jazakallah khair. Hi viewers, thanks for watching. Hopefully you like this video. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe our channel. Just press the bell icon button and you will receive regularly our new videos. And if you are already subscribed our channel, then please like, comments, give your suggestions and share these videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Take care. Bye.